Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Easier. So guys, just like my every video, in this video also I am going to tell you that how can you earn a lots of money from your phone with the help of an app. So guys, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe the channel so that I can continue to make such useful videos for you which can going to give you a lot of money. And friends, so friends, avoid wasting time and let's proceed to the video. So friends, you can get the link from the description box of the video. You can download the app from there, and I am going to tell you about the app. So friends, the app I am talking about today, you may already be a user of it, but a new update has come in it which will help you to earn more. So friends, let's proceed. And so guys, first of all you must have downloaded the app, then you will open it from here. So guys, you can see the app here, app icon, and you can open it from here. And first of all, it can ask for some permissions, so you can allow the permissions. There is no harm for your security. And I just see I allowed for the location. After that, you can continue to the app. So guys, see here in front of you there are two options, login or register. If you have already logged in the app, so so there is no need to log in again. If you have not registered yet, so click on register first. So for registration here, you need to add a mobile number. Input a mobile number here and click on register. After that, you will be asked to enter the Gmail referral code and UPI ID that you can fill very easily. So friends, first of all you have to fill the Gmail, and after Gmail you can fill a referral code which you have. And after referral code, you have to fill your UPI ID. And friends, when you fill your UPI ID, there are some terms and conditions. You can grant and click on submit. Then friends, wait a second. See, you have successfully logged in the app. And after that, when you open it, you will see this kind of interface in front of you. But here you have the three lines. Friends, see, here you have three lines which are given on the side. Click on this three line. After that, you can see a number. You can see a option here, a save number. So friends, click on this save number option. Again option, friends, see here a save number option can displayed and a number is given. First of all, you have to save this number. You have to save this number which is in front of you. So click on save number, and see friends, here it can display the name WhatsApp help, and you can save this number from here. So it will take. And friends, after that you can open the WhatsApp and search here, the number you have saved with the name of WhatsApp help, and you can send a message hi. And friends, after sending the message, see a recent reply has came. And friends, after that you will chat like this with the company. And friends, here you can see your number is added successfully. Then you will click on OK. And after that, again click on the three lines and the option displayed here, dashboard. Click on dashboard, and again this type of interface you will see. And friends, after that, here friends, first you have to click on today's. Here you got three options: today's task list, approval status by admin, pending app open task. So friends, first you have to click on today's task list. So friends, here you can see there are 4 to 3 apps given here. So friends, you can. So friends, we will show you that. We will show here that how you can earn by downloading just one of these apps. So friends, first of all, click on an app. Here, click on PDF reader, and here option you can click on Chrome, and after that, here are option download now. So friends, download now, click on download now, and after that click on install. So friends, install this app. So friends, when the app is installed, you can click on active now, and see friends, there you got the 30 points, and remaining 30 points are here. So friends, as you know, we have already activated the app, and after that you can click on back, and see here, and click again back, and see friends, here you got. So friends, when the app is downloaded, when the app will downloaded, you have to open the app for 5 to 10 seconds, because the app is going to refresh in 5 seconds, and you have to use this app for 5 to 10 seconds. All the apps you download from that app, that complete task app. And friends, open apps, how many apps you downloaded. You will open this app for 5 to 10 seconds, and after that go and again open your free earn app. And friends, see, only by complete a simple and very simple, you can say, task, we complete only very simple task, and we get 30 points here. And friend, after that we have to, and friends, after that let's see how we can earn more from this app. From friends, see, there three lines are here. You can click here, and you can see option here, invite friends. So friends, click on this invite friends, and you can see how it is going to earn for you. Share this app to your friends, and tell them that copy your this referral code. When your friend copy your referral code, you earn, as your friend earn, as well as you also earn. How many times you share this app, you can earn the more. And friend, as you can see, earn up to rupees 5,000 to 1,50,000 by just sharing the app. Okay, so just share the app and earn up to 1.5 lakh, means 1,50,000. And friends, after that click on three lines again, and here you can see option earning. Click on earning, and here you can see what you earn. See impression, you downloaded the app, it is showing how many apps you downloaded, and how you earned from these apps, and etc. all. So next option is my wallet. So friends, the main thing in every earning app is that how to withdraw, and what is the process of withdraw the money from the wallet. So friends, here I am going to tell you the withdrawal process. Here you can see the app is giving an example. Okay, for withdraw, see, you can see a withdraw example here, example of withdraw. So I am placing a request for withdraw. So here are option request for withdraw, and here you can see friends, just wait a second. Here you will see 100 points equal to 1 rupee. So click on 1 rupee, and the mobile number you by you registered your account, it is shown. Then click on next, and how many coins you want to withdraw. So in my account there are 130 coins, so I am requesting for 120 coins, and click on redeem. So your request is successful, means your withdraw request is successfully requested for withdraw. And after that click on back, and see, we have 130 points earlier, and we requested for withdraw, so we have 20 points only now, and we have withdraw 1 rupee. So friend, see here, 1 rupee is withdrawal. Okay, and friends, so at last I want to say only that it is a very and very useful app. You must have to download this app. And if you like the video, so please like the video, leave a comment in comment box, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you and take care.